Firstly, I want to start with thanking all of my subscribers who have been loving me and encouraging me with all my videos. Secondly, I have an interesting video today on a recipe which I mostly eat. This is also very good for people who are trying to lose weight and like to eat healthy food. And guys, if you have any suggestions for me on what next do you want, or if you have any suggestions for me regarding the previous videos, please comment me down below. I'll definitely work on that. So without any delay, let's get started.
So let's start with the ingredients that we need for the salad. We need lettuce, capsicum, cucumber, feta, tomatoes, and the salad dressing. Now let's chop the vegetables. You can cut them by as your liking. You don't necessarily have to follow me. So once you're done with prepping for the salad, we'll start making the salad. So here I've taken a bowl into which I'm adding lettuce, followed by cucumber, cherry tomatoes, capsicum, feta, and lastly Greek salad dressing on top. If you want to know how to make salad dressing at home, please let me know in the comment down below. I'll make a video on it. Once all the ingredients are added, mix them well, and now you can serve it. Hope you like this super easy and super delicious salad. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe the video. I really appreciate it. Until the next video, bye bye.